Hey guys, it's CopperCarver, and today we're taking a look at the AngelHalo Smart Wall Sconces. So this is a light that I find extremely portable. Now, I don't mean portable in the sense of you can move it around anytime you want to. This does have sticky adhesives, or if you need to use screws or something like that. But what I mean is that this can be for, honestly, a super chill living room. This could be for your game room, an esports room, or honestly, just about anywhere that you think you want to put it. What's super cool is the fact that it's a wall sconce, and what it does is it has a light that shoots up and a light that shoots down. Plus, it's adjustable, so you can turn the lights on honestly any direction that you want to, and it creates this really sophisticated look that yet has all the RGB colors to be that like cool gamer vibe. So it's a really cool combo. Now, something I will admit is that I have installed this in a room that is being used for esports. So I didn't get to film myself actually taking it out of the box and installing it. I apologize for that. But all you really need to know is that it's easy to put together. You just pull the lights out, you kind of stretch them out, you make sure they're even, and you stick them on there. Now, of course, I have videos of the actual light itself, which is really awesome. Some information about this is it does have dimming. You can go really high in brightness and really low in brightness. It has 16 million colors. It does have cool and warm and that middle light that you like. It does have voice control. The app is pretty user-friendly. I do like the app. You can set timers. There is music sync, there is group control. If you have multiple of their products, you can kind of group them and control them at the same time, so that's really nice. Right now, this sells for about $130 online, but that's even without the sales going on. Whenever I went on Amazon, there was actually already little boxes I could click on to do like 20% off and a couple other things like that. So 130 is hopefully the top price that you'll find on this. But honestly, most places the prices will be lower. So looking at this light, I actually like it a lot. In my house, like I said, I use it on a warm mode in my living room and it looks great. I've never been one for overhead lights, but this fills in that in between, not quite overhead and not as low as lamp vibe that I like with it. I'm sorry I don't have more of the colors showing. The Wi-Fi that is used at the esports area that I put in with it is still a new facility being put together, and for some reason the internet that they had wasn't allowing me to connect it to the app quite as well as I wanted to. But there are buttons on the actual light itself that let you scroll through the different effects, which is really cool. Like I said, I'm also going to splice some of the other video that I did to show some of the other lighting effects because it's really cool. But anyways, guys, that has been the AngelHalo Smart Wall Sconce. This is the 18.4 foot version. On the AngelHalo on Amazon, at least, I didn't see any other sizes. I would imagine that they have probably a 9.2 foot one, or I know that some other companies do as well, but that's something I can confirm and put in the description. But anyways, guys, I appreciate y'all coming by. Please like, share, and subscribe.